this video tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about web platform. So you can get lots of definition of web platform. So there are a wide variety of developers who are working to create a better web world. But to understand what is web platform is, you have to understand a client and a server. So client is ourselves, so who request something to the web. So this request can be HTTP request, and first of all you have to learn what is HTTP. HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. Now, so when you send a request to the server, then server process the request, and then the server send a HTTP response to you, and you see all those response. What kind of response it is? This response is HTTP response and contains images, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, etc. So now we will learn Microsoft Web Platform. So all the developers around the world can work on different web platforms in different ways. But Microsoft defined a web platform and they give us ASP.NET. ASP.NET is a framework, not a programming language. Using ASP.NET, we can create websites and services. We will discuss services later on, but we can use Singular and Web API to create services. Singular is the real-time communication services, and we use Web API, we'll discuss later, to create services. Web API is very renowned now. And to create websites, we can use web forms, web pages, and MVC. We'll discuss all those things later. Now, today, Microsoft introduced ASP.NET Core, and web form has been retired. So what it means is ASP.NET Core doesn't do anything with web forms. So we are going to use web pages, MVC, Web API, and Singular. Now we have seen all the frameworks and technologies, resources for Microsoft Web Platform. But to develop something, some websites or services, you need a tool. So Microsoft provide a great tool, which is Visual Studio. Where you can get the Visual Studio? You can get the Visual Studio in www.visualstudio.com. There are lots of different edition of Visual Studio. There are Enterprise Edition, there are Express Edition, which is completely free, and there are Community Edition. In Express Edition, you can't use Teams TFS, which is Team Foundation Server, and you can't use the code review. But the Community Edition is great one. You can use the Team Foundation Server, and Team Foundation Server means version controlling and the code review. So next video we will show how to download Visual Studio Community Edition and how to install it. Thank you for watching.